Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all dairy-free diet plan. Now this diet plan is for all of those who are lactose intolerant or are planning to quit dairy. Recently my lots of clients decided to quit dairy for good reasons and they were able to see great weight loss happening, and along with that they were able to see many of their medical issues resolving. Quitting dairy helps in reducing inflammation in the body and treats your digestive tract very well. It has tremendous amount of skin benefits if you're suffering from acne, pimples or any kind of skin diseases. Quitting dairy can help in reducing inflammation in the skin as well. And one of the best thing that happens when you quit dairy is it reduces bloating, water retention, stomach pain and any kind of gastric issues in your digestive system. So, quitting dairy comes with lots and lots of benefits of its own. But it's important if you're quitting dairy that you get your vitamin D3 and calcium from other food sources. So in this diet plan, I'll be giving you all the food sources that you can get for each and every meal for your vitamin D3, calcium, B12 and other vitamins and nutrients, and this diet plan can help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great skin benefits, inflammation benefits and as well as disease management with this diet plan. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with dairy-free diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with lukewarm lemon water with added pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder. This helps your body to detoxify in the morning itself and to boost your metabolism very quickly. If you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always substitute this with 2 glasses of plain lukewarm water. Simple plain lukewarm water, have 2 glasses of it and improve your hydration in the morning itself. Now proceeding towards our breakfast options, for which I'll be giving you lots of options. The first one is spinach corn sandwich with black tea or black coffee or green tea. Now the recipe for my spinach corn sandwich is already upon my channel. Here is a complete recipe, you can go and check it out. It contains good amount of iron content, fiber and very delicious as well for your morning breakfast. If you're a tea or a coffee lover, then you can always enjoy your black tea, black coffee or green tea along with this one sandwich. But if you like to add almond milk or soya milk to your tea or coffee, then you can always go and check out my almond milk recipe. Here is the complete recipe which only requires 10 minutes to prepare almond milk. It is super yummy and tastes delicious in each and every manner. And the goodness of almonds cannot be replaced with anything else. So here is the almond milk recipe. Proceeding towards our second option for breakfast, which will be apple oats banana smoothie. Now the recipe for apple oats banana smoothie is again here. A cup of gluten-free oats here. Along with that, I'll be using half a banana. You can chop the banana or you can also freeze the banana overnight. I'll be using apple here. This is fresh apple. You can also freeze the apple overnight. You can use complete whole 1 apple. Along with that, I'll be adding here some almond milk. Now this is almond milk. You can also use skim milk or replace it with water as well. So milk is not a compulsion here. I'll be using it, but that's your own choice. And all you have to do is just simply blend your smoothie. You can also use vanilla essence if you want to, but that's optional. This breakfast smoothie is without any sugar, so make sure you're not adding any kind of sweetener to this. Banana and apple itself are sweet enough to make this recipe delicious. It does include almond milk, so the recipe for almond milk is already shared with you. You can go and check it out. And the smoothie is best for getting you good and fuller breakfast for the entire day. And also banana helps you relieve with the constipation of the day as well. So you can definitely add banana, apple, oats and almond milk to this smoothie. Proceeding towards our third option, which will be for all the salad lovers out there. Sprout salad for breakfast is one of the most high protein salad recipes that you can enjoy for your breakfast. Add lots and lots of salad to this like cucumber, tomato, lettuce, onion, lots of sprouts and enjoy your salad. Fourth option for breakfast is for all the vegetarians out there. You can enjoy your omelette prepared with 2 egg whites. You can add mushroom, spinach, corns to your omelette and enjoy your high protein breakfast. Now let's proceed towards our lunch. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 to 4 options which are very good in protein content, fiber content and keeps you satiated for the longer time of the rest of the day as well. They're very yummy and easy to prepare recipes. The first is of course for all the rice lovers out there. dal chawal or rice with any kind of curry you can have. Dal chawal is a staple and very comfort food for all the Indians out there. So you can enjoy any dal, yellow moong dal, green moong dal or sambar you can also have along with brown rice. Have approximately 150 to 250 grams of cooked brown rice with a good full bowl of dal along with salad and enjoy your lunch with dal chawal. Instead of dal, you can always have chicken curry or fish curry if you like having any kind of curry with rice, and enjoy your meal with rice in this manner as well. Second option for lunch will be salad. Now it is for all the salad lovers out there, high in protein and yet very amazing in each and every manner. My clients love having chickpea mango salad as mango is seasonally available now, and chickpea is always high in protein and high in fiber for all the vegans out there. So chickpea salad can be had for your lunch. Here is the recipe for mango chickpea salad. You can go and check it out. Or instead of that, you can even have chicken salad. Grilled chicken you can use for this salad. Add lots of salad to this like cucumber, tomato, lettuce. Prepare a good dressing with lemon juice, roasted jeera powder, oregano, chili flakes and enjoy your delicious salad. Third option will be a very easy to prepare recipe and yet very healthy in each and every manner. You can have 2 to 3 besan chilas prepared with adding lots of veggies to it like grated carrots, grated cabbage, capsicum, onion, whatever you like to have, add it to these chilas and prepare a good fuller and very healthy lunch option for yourself. Along with that, you can have chutney or achar can also be had along with this. Fourth option for lunch will be for all the roti lovers. Yes, Indians and roti come hand in hand because they cannot skip roti and rice for their lunch, and you don't need to skip it at all. You can enjoy your roti and rice and still lose good amount of weight each and every day. So you can have one bajra roti along with any green leafy vegetable like spinach, corn or methi sabzi, and along with that have one bajra roti plus salad. Gives you good amount of fiber intake as well, and green leafy vegetables are very important when it comes to your dairy-free diet plan to give you good amount of iron content, potassium and all the goodness of green leafy vegetables. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first is always you can enjoy your tea or coffee prepared with almond milk, which I shared the recipe of, or if you cannot have this, then you can always have green tea or matcha tea. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of seed mix. Because we're going dairy free and lactose intolerant people need to have their omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals and proteins. So seed mix is very important, which includes sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, dried cranberries or blueberries, and you can definitely add some nuts to this as well, like 4 to 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. And enjoy your 30 grams of seed mix, good in fiber content, high nutrients such as fatty acids, omega-3, fiber, vitamins, minerals and proteins. Seeds are nutrient-dense superfoods, extremely effective for weight loss. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options, for which I'll be giving you the first option is a fruit bowl. You can definitely incorporate one orange to this fruit bowl because it helps your body make collagen and is one of the best sources for vitamin C. In this fruit bowl, you can add any seasonal fruit as well, like half a banana can be added, half a mango can also be added, cucumber, apple, pineapple, papaya, and enjoy a good full bowl of it. Second option for your dinner is stir-fry veggies. Now, the recipe for stir-fry veggies is here. You can go check it out. Very easy to prepare and yet very yummy in each and every manner. You must include broccoli to your stir-fry veggies to give you a good amount of antioxidants, and it also helps to reduce inflammation in the body as well. Third option for dinner is Veggie Kebab. Now the recipe for kebabs is already upon my channel. It is very good in fiber content and good source of protein in each and every manner. Includes very minimal ingredients and is very easy to prepare as well. Here is the recipe for kebabs. In a blender, I'll be adding 1 cup of boiled white chana. It is soaked overnight and then boiled in a pressure cooker. 1 cup of this, and then to this I'll be adding 1 cup of rajma or kidney beans. Again boiled, and just blend it out in a paste form. Once blended, what we'll be doing is, you can see it becomes like a paste form. To this I'm adding 1 cup again of roasted besan, that is chickpea flour. To this I'll be adding crushed pink Himalayan salt, crushed black pepper powder, green chilies, now it's optional as per their spiciness, and lots of coriander leaves. Now these are fresh coriander leaves, make sure to add for amazing taste. Just mix it all well. If you feel that the batter is too runny still, you can even add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now what I'll be doing here is preparing it in a kebab form as I've done here. Now you don't have to deep fry it or add lots of oil to cook. All you have to do is in a non-stick pan, I'm adding here just around 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and I'll be shallow frying these. Keep turning them upside down so that they're cooked from both the sides, and you can see how crispy and golden they look. They're amazing in taste, and you can have 3 to 4 kebabs with a homemade mint chutney and enjoy it. Fourth recipe for dinner would be for all the soup lovers. You can have egg soup or veggie soup. Now the recipe for veggie soup, tomato zucchini soup or lemon coriander soup is already upon my channel. I'll link it in the description box below. You can check it out. And you can also have egg soup in place of these. Add 2 boiled eggs without any yolk and have a good prepared egg soup for your dinner. Now proceeding towards a bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to losing weight and as well as boosting your metabolism for the entire night. Chamomile tea helps you relieve all the stress of the entire day, promotes good sleep and also boosts your metabolism to help you lose weight faster and easily. If not possible, then you can always have ajwain water or jeera water to help you reduce all the water retention, bloating and to boost your metabolism very quickly. With this diet plan, make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or any kind of diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you in each and every manner. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming videos, recipes, client transformations and diet plans. And follow me on Instagram to stay updated for what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.